So you know on Bucks Beauty Day that I absolutely love new products which make things easy. Because I fake tan on the go a lot, haven't got Alex around, haven't got anyone else around, so I have to fake tan myself. Can never get to my back and I had to find a way to do it. Found this. It's the Bronzie back tanning mitt, which is absolutely unreal. It will change your life. But you can use any fake tan you want. You can use a mousse or a spray. I've got a spray which I usually prefer using. I'm going to start off with our legs, so you just use the 2 normal mitts. Now I'm going to show you how to use the back pad. I'm going to spray both sides, which you'll find out why in a sec. Just whip my top off. No peeking. So you put one hand in your first mitt, the other behind, and then literally rub along your back, up and down. We're going to twist it round, so literally you just flip and do the upper part of your back. Done.